Hey, what's up, guys? Pav here. Really excited to do this video with you guys, where we're gonna ask Chat GPT how to build a network marketing life insurance business. This is gonna be exciting. In the last 3 years, I've built my agency to multi-seven figures, and I've also helped thousands of agents build their own agency from the ground up. Some of them also making seven figures now. So this is gonna be really exciting because we're gonna be able to react to the advice of ChatGPT and see if it's the real deal, basically. So without further ado, let me actually go in here and tap in the prompt, and we're gonna get started. Okay, so building a network marketing business in the life insurance industry requires a combination of strategic planning, networking skills, and deep understanding of the product and services you're offering. Here's a step by step to get you started. Research and training. So before you start, educate yourself about the life insurance industry, product regulations, and the network marketing model. Attend training sessions, workshops, and seminars offered by reputable companies and organizations in the field. So I actually like this a lot, right? What you're gonna want to do at first is not just jump in the first offer from the first company that is, offering you to work with them. You're gonna want to do a little bit of research, attend different trainings, question your uplines that would be bringing you on as far as like what their numbers look like, if they're really successful, and if they're actually achieving the dream they're promising you, right? Because obviously that is going to make a big difference in your success when you join an organization. Secondly, choose the right company. So select a reputable life insurance company that offers network marketing or multi-level marketing opportunity. Look for a company with a strong track record, good financial stability, range of high quality products that meets your target market. Totally agree with this, right? So, selecting a reputable life insurance company is going to be important. You're going to need to balance out going for the really, really big company that is not going to care too much about you, that is super corporate, and going for just a starting company that, doesn't maybe have the track record. I think personally, I would choose something in between. There's about 2 to 3 companies that are in the network marketing life insurance business that are really, really solid right now. Now, I'm not part of any of them, so I'm not going to mention their names or name drop here, but I would do the right amount of research to make sure you join a company that's going to be the most competitive in terms of compensation plan, growth ladder, all these things. So, ChatGPT, correct. Now, understand your products. I think this is pretty straightforward. Obviously, you got to understand your product, right? So, know the features, benefit pricing, how they compare to competitors' offering. This knowledge will help you effectively communicate with potential customers and build trust. Totally agree with this. This is a basic. Unfortunately, many people don't do it, but yeah, you should totally know, right? You should know your shit. Sorry for my bad language. Um, Now, identify your target market. You're going to need to choose your demographic and the characteristics of your ideal customers. Are you targeting young families, retirees, entrepreneurs, or specific professions? Tailor your marketing efforts to appeal to your target market's needs and preferences. So here's where ChatGPT is actually wrong. Initially, you're going to go, this is network marketing. You're going to go to your network, right? You're going to go and build clients and relationships and referral bases in your network. So you're not going to be so selective initially. Later down the line, you're going to niche down. But you're not going to have a target market initially. Your target market is going to be, anybody who's potentially a good client for life insurance or anybody who actually wants to make side income, right? Depending on if you get them on the client side or the recruiting side. So I would debate this one a little bit. Now, going to point number 5, building your network, right? Network marketing is all about building relationships, expanding your network. Start by reaching out to friends, family, colleagues, and acquaintances to introduce them to your product and business opportunity. Attend networking events, join industry related groups, and social media to connect with potential customers and recruit. All right, kind of like what I was saying 1 second before, right? You're going to want to start by going to your warm market. This is what everybody does because those are people who already have your trust, are not necessarily interested, but they have your trust. They're going to listen to you at least, right? So those are going to be your low-hanging fruits. Now, the goal with network marketing is that you stay in that network, right? That warm market for as long as possible. So I've done separate videos on the channel on how you can stay in your warm market for as long as possible. But basically, you're going to always want to nurture new people you bring on and go and tap into their warm markets, recruit people from their warm markets to have different warm markets. And you just kind of tap root from one to another, tapping into different warm markets. And that's how you grow your network. That's how you grow your warm market as fast as you consume it, essentially. Now, unfortunately, a lot of people will run out of warm market within 6 months, 12 months, 18 months at most. And this is where kind of social media marketing will come in, or this is where, industry related groups, networking events will come in to kind of create that new warm market for yourself, initially from cold market. Hope that makes sense. All right. Develop effective marketing strategies, marketing channels, including online marketing, social media, email campaigns, direct mail, networking events, compelling content that educate, informs, engages your audience, showcasing the value of your product. So here's the deal, okay? I strongly believe that until you guys are making $1 million a year, you should have one client acquisition channel or one recruiting channel outside of your warm market, obviously, because that's going to be the first one. But once you run out of that or it's slowing down, you're going to want to go one channel only until 7 figures. The reason why is because if you scale one marketing channel, it's going to be a lot easier for you guys to know exactly what kind of people are coming in, what kind of problems they have, what kind of objections they have. So you're going to build your sales machine and your recruiting machine much easier if you're always using one channel. For example, if I use Facebook ads, well, I know people that come from Facebook ads always have the same problem. I'm offering them the same solution, and I'm solving that problem with that solution the same way. So it makes it a repeatable, duplicatable process over and over. And I can just get super good at that process and reach 7 figures within a shorter amount of time than if I spread out too wide and try to do every kind of marketing strategy out there and end up, losing it because it's too much effort, too much time, and I'm not seeing the results. So instead of spreading yourself thin, once you start, going out of your warm market, choose one channel, scale one channel all the way up to 7 figures. Okay. In fact, we're doing multi 7 figures a year, and we still only have one channel of client acquisition. So you can scale it even past that. And by the way, if you're interested in knowing the 5 steps from 0 to 7 figures that any agency builder has to go through, click the link in the description. It's going to bring you to our free school community where we actually give you guys free training live once a week. There's about 700 agency builders taking advantage of this right now, and it's totally free. So definitely go ahead and check it out. Now, let's keep going. If we're going to provide, number 7, provide excellent customer service. You should definitely focus on delivering, exceptional service to your clients, build trust and loyalty, responsive to their needs, address their concerns, go the extra mile. Happy customers are more likely to refer to others and become repeat buyers. I totally agree with this. One more thing I will say, in life, you never get anything if you don't ask, right? So happy customers are more likely to refer. Guess who's also more likely to refer? People who you ask for a referral. So I know this makes sense. A lot of people don't do this though, right? So if you get a happy customer, ask them, hey, who else do you know, right? Like, tell me the names of 3 people you know who might need this kind of insurance protection. Tell me the names of 3 people you know who would like to get a better return on their investment in the stock market or in funds, right? Because I've just clearly showed you that I can get you a couple extra percents a year. Or who else do you know that would like to make an extra income on the side, right? Collect those referrals every time, baby. Really important, okay? Now, 8, recruit and train team members. As you build your business, recruit motivated individuals to join your team as an independent distributor, offer them training, support, mentorship to help them succeed in the business, encourage teamwork, collaboration, and continuous learning within your organization. Again, totally agree with this. Now, one thing I will say though is, let's say you're just starting out, you're going to want to trust your upline to initially bring those recruits on, train them, because you're not in a position yet to train them. But you're going to want to learn as quickly as possible how to ramp up agents because this is the core activity of your business, ramping up agents to be able to go tap in their warm markets. And that's how you guys build a massive organizations together. That's how the process is repeatable and successful. So make sure you're learning the ropes as quickly as possible so that you don't need your upline to do this as quickly as possible. And you're able to recruit and train team members your way, by yourself as quickly as possible. So stay compliant, ensure that your business operates with applicable laws, regulations, industry standards. Yeah, this is obviously really important. Otherwise, you're going to lose your license that you've worked so hard to get. Set goals and track progress. So this is a big one, guys, and ChatGPT is right on that one. A lot of you guys set goals, but don't track the progress. So you treat your goals as nice to have instead of things you absolutely need to get to, and you know exactly where you're at based on that goal. Let me explain the difference. But first, let's read this. So, establishing clear goals for your business. A lot of people do this. Sales, recruiting milestones, income objectives. Good. Now, regularly track your progress, analyze your results, and make adjustments to your business strategies as needed to stay on track towards achieving your goals. This is where a lot of people struggle: tracking their progress, analyzing their results, making adjustments to their strategies. Yeah, this is what a lot of people don't do. Unfortunately, I get on a lot of calls with people, and they've been getting the same result for 5 years, trying the same thing for 5 years, and their business has been dead for 5 years. Now, the time frame is not important. Could be a year, could be 6 months, could be 10 years. The point is, if you have goals and you don't track them, then there's no point in having goals because you don't even know where you're at, right? Or if you have goals and you track them, but you don't analyze your results and make adjustments accordingly, same thing. So I applaud ChatGPT for this. This is so important and so overlooked. Again, if you go to the school community agency builder incubator, link in the description, there's a free tracking sheet for insurance agency builders that you can download and start using today to help you achieve this right there. So really glad ChatGPT had this in there. Lastly, building a successful network marketing business in the life insurance industry requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Totally agree. Now, by following these steps and staying focused on providing value to your customers and team members, you can create a thriving business that offers financial security, peace of mind to your clients, while providing very lucrative opportunities for yourself and your team. Honestly, guys, I'm really positively surprised at how right ChatGPT is on this. I will say, other than the kind of adjustments and advice that I gave you guys in this video, I think ChatGPT is a solid 9 out of 10 as far as the advice given. I think if any insurance agency builder applies this to the T, well, they're going to have a successful business, or a business that's a lot more successful than the average agent out there. That's for sure. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you like it and want to see more content like this. And I will see you in the next video. Cheers.